Changing your verification method on American Express can enhance your account's security and ensure you receive important notifications. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Select Security Preferences. Within the Account Services section, find the option for Security Preferences or Verification Methods. Click on this option to view your current settings. Step 4. Choose your new verification method. You will see a list of available verification methods such as SMS, email, or Authenticator app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new verification method, you may need to verify by entering a code sent to your new method. Follow the instructions to confirm the change and save your settings. By following these steps, you can easily change your verification method on American Express. Regularly updating your security settings helps keep your account safe.